So welcome to this tutorial on what a planner hub is and how you would use them. So we're on my iPad right now and you're looking at the hub I created for this year. So this is my personal hub, so it's going to look a little different than anything you might purchase, but I wanted to show you what I created and why I created it. So the first thing is you can see up here, having all different, didn't want to do that, having all different tabs open. It was kind of annoying jumping back and forth when I was working on my planner. And what I wanted ultimately was a place where I could have all my different planners live together, but each planner had different tabs, right? So here is my weight loss planner, and you can see it has all these different tabs. But if you go over maybe to my goal setting worksheets, these were just totally different, didn't look anything like that. Over here I was creating a sticker test, and that was just plain sheets. So everything was just kind of a jumble, and I had different tabs for different things. So let's go into here right now, and you can see these tabs are totally different than these tabs, right? So it was just really, I couldn't wrap my head around how could I have all my notebooks live in different places. And I had all these different notebooks I wanted to use. So I had my planner, but I also had a journal, I had a business planner, and then I had sticker books, and they were just all over the place. So I created this thing called a hub notebook. And what this allows you to do is put all your different notebooks into one place where you can find them all, even though they have different tabs. So this is kind of exclusive to me. It's an idea I came up with, and I absolutely love it, and I use it all the time. But because it's brand new, you might be a little confused. How does this work? How does it go together? So first thing to look at is that there are different size notebooks. So this is a 5-subject hub notebook. So you can see it's a hub, and it's got 5 subjects. You can get a free version of the 2-tab, so it'll be a 2-subject notebook, and you can have 2 completely different journals put together into one notebook. So if you want to get that free, go to lifeditanddesign.com, and the link will be right on this page, and you can get a free copy of the 2-subject notebook and play with it and see if you like it. So what exactly is it and how does it work? So again, I have 4 different journals locked together in this same book. So here I am on the main page. So this is the cover. If you were to tap the cover tab, this is where it takes you. If you click on the planner tab, here is the cover. And I like to leave these covers because it's a great place to catch quick notes. And here's an example of my quick notes page. So I have all kinds of things that if I'm not sure, I don't want to go right to my January tab, I have this quick notes page where I can drop down all things, and that's exclusive to my planners. And you'll see that all of my planners are formed. They're all laid out just for this hub planner system, so this hub notebook system. So if you go here to the cover, you can see that they're all the same. Like I don't have, if you look at my planners, I don't have spines. I don't want to waste time losing valuable writing space, right? The iPad's only so big. Why do I need the pretty spine? I know it looks realistic, makes it look more like a paper planner, but guess what? We're digital. This is a digital planner. I don't need to waste time looking for a spine down the middle of my page. So all of my notebooks you'll see are lined up this way. They're the portrait style. I may occasionally use a horizontal style if it fits my needs better, but they're set up so that I can write on as much of the page as possible. So when you're over here in my monthlies, everything again is laid out for the full size page because I want to get as much writing as I can on the page. So how does this work? So here I am, right? This is my personal planner. I'm on the home tab, so I'm on my front page. If I go back one side, so I'm swiping backwards. So here I am in my notebook, right? Here's all my tabs. I can flip through quickly, and then I go home. If I go backwards one, it brings me to my planner, which is kind of, think of this as the cover page to the notebook. And now I can jump to my journal. Here's the journal page. Here's my quick notes where I like to scribble stuff. But here's all my journal stuff. This is my favorite page right here. It's my birthday planner. So habits list. See, the tabs are totally different than the tabs I just had. So if I go backwards, I'm back into the hub notebook. So you see the colors are different, the topics are different, and I can jump. Now I'm in my business planner. I go forward a page. Now you can see all my tabs are completely different. These are exclusive to the planner that I'm using. For business, go backwards one page. Now you can see the tabs have gone back, so now I'm back in the hub notebook, and I can jump around. Here's stickers, and then you can see my sticker notebook. So again, go backward one page, and you can jump. So each one of these has a cover page, but then behind the cover page is the cover for that notebook. And again, I can jump around. So what this allows you to do is have all kinds of notebooks. So here I have 4, and I could have put another one behind the cover if I wanted to. But I have 4 different notebooks with their own tabbing system, but they all live inside this hub notebook. How cool is that? I mean, really. You can have, and it comes again in the 2 subject version is free, the 5 subject version here, then I have a 10 and a 12 subject. So you can have up to 12 journals put together, or 12 planners. So if you have a whole bunch of sticker books, for example, and you don't want to keep searching, you can put them all in here. When you buy the version, again, this is my personal version, but when you buy, these are undone, they're blank. So if we go to the sticker page, it'll look more like this. So you'll have tabs where you can write on. So if you were to have, say, a collection of stickers, maybe you have 12, get the 12 subject notebook, you could write on each one of these what the topic was. So if we were to go in, my handwriting's awful, so I don't like to handwrite too much on live screen, but if you were to do this, 1, 2, gives you the example, and then you could click, oops, get back to that, and you can click, and you would go into your sticker page here that would be full of stickers for that. And then anytime you wanted, go back to home. Remember, always go backwards 1 page to get to the hub system where you can jump around from planner to planner, or to notebook, however you want to look at it. Again, all my notebooks have this quick spot where you can just jot down notes. So if I go backwards real quick, I am on home, duh. So if I go to my journal, you'll see again, I like to use this quick note spot just if something comes up to you, some minor inspiration, some major inspiration, a to-do note, go get milk on the way home. I like to just have this spot at the front of each one of my notebooks, and you'll find that that goes throughout my notebooks. So there's always this spot where I can just jot down stuff, these little note pages, without having to go to the actual note page, or without having to know exactly where I want to put this. So I can just put this wherever I want. Again, go to the home, backward 1 page. Now I'm back to these tabs, and I can quickly jump to whatever I want. So that is the hub system. And again, it comes in the 2 subject for free. If you go to lifeeditanddesign.com, you can pick it up there. And then you can purchase, if you'd like, the 5 subject, 10 subject, or 12 subject notebook. And those are on the Etsy shop by the same name, Life, Edit, and Design. If you have any questions, please message me on either the website or on Etsy, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Have an awesome day.